Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. You can absolutely set up and actually fully manage a Shopify store using only your smartphone. That is either Android or iOS. Just the official Shopify mobile app here is the central tool for this. So here's a complete step-by-step tutorial for beginners to set up your Shopify store directly on your phone. Let's start with the essential tool, which we said is this Shopify mobile app. The key to mobile setup is downloading the official Shopify app from the App Store for iOS or this Google Play Store for Android users. This app acts as your full admin dashboard. Let's get to the first step to this. Create your account and store name. Just open the Shopify app on your phone. Now go ahead and start the free trial. Tap to begin your free trial. You'll be guided to either enter your email and create a password. Also answer any setup questions. Shopify will ask a few questions about your business goals. Answer honestly as this helps customize your dashboard. Now also name your store. Choose a name for your store. You can change the main domain later, but this establishes your Shopify URL. Let's get to the second step, which is to add your first product. You must have products to design your store around. Navigate to products in the Shopify app here. Tap this products tab. Now go ahead and add product. Tap the plus button or add product button. Enter the details. You can use your phone's keyboard here to enter first the title here and description. Just keep it clear and persuasive. Also, we have media. Tap to upload photos or videos directly from your phone's photo library. We also have pricing. Set your price and cost to calculate the profit. We also have inventory, where you need to set the quantity or connect to a drop shipping app like Oberlo or Disas if you are drop shipping. We also have variants if needed. Just add options like size, color, or material. Now go ahead and save. Click on save to create the product. Let's get to the third step, which is to design your mobile storefront. You can fully customize your store's appearance using the mobile app. We will first need to access themes. Go to online store. Now go ahead and also customize theme here. Tap customize on your current theme. By default, this is the free Dawn theme. You also can use the editor. The mobile editor here lets you to first edit sections where you can tap on a section, e.g. image banner or even featured collection to edit its content, images, and layout. You can also upload brand assets where you can upload your logo, etc. You can also change colors or fonts. You can adjust global theme settings to match your brand's style. We also have mobile first design in here. Let's get to the fourth step where you can configure essential store settings. Now before you launch, you must set up the business side of your store. First setting is payments, where you need to go to settings here and then click on payments. Here you can activate Shopify payments, which requires bank information and SSN or EIN. You can also connect PayPal right here. This is crucial because it allows you to accept credit cards and even get paid. We also have another setting which is shipping, where you still in here under setting, click on shipping and delivery. You can set your shipping rates, zones, and delivery methods. We also have legal pages. Here still, click on policies. Then you can use the built-in generators for your refund, privacy, and terms of service policies. This is essential because it's required for legal compliance and customer trust. We also have finally general information, where you can click on general here and you can review your store name, email, and business address. This ensures all contact information is accurate and you can change them here. Let's get to the final step, which is to remove a password and launch. Once your products are added, payments are set up, and the design looks great, just go to online store here and then click on preferences. Scroll down to the password protection section and you need to finally uncheck or disable the password protection feature and click on save. Your Shopify store is now live and accessible to the public. You can continue to manage products, view analytics, process orders, and even create discounts all through the Shopify mobile app here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.